Good morning, traders. Okay, so in this video, let's see what the market has for us for the week and the opportunities we have to take a trade and see the potential setup that might be playing out this week. Okay, so I'm just going to take a look on the few pairs that I trade personally. All right, so if you want us to cover more pairs, you can follow us and let us know in the comment section. Okay, so we're taking the look on gold. Okay, so and why we're already on this trade and what is our bias on this trade for the moment and also for the week. Okay, so if you take a look on gold here now, you see clearly that ever since the market gave us this high, it hasn't broken it, or instead it has given us this sharp move down, okay, and this strong kind of corrective move. So this is more like a complex structure move. So, and once you see a complex structure like this, guys, it's going to take time for this C wave to form. Okay, so what we're expecting on C wave is for it to drop, but before dropping, there will be this pullback here at this point, which actually we're already on the trade on the buys, and we're waiting for the market to complete that structure before it drops. So for us to make it more clear for you guys and what we are seeing and what you should pay attention for the week. Now, if I should expand this chart, now you begin to see the fractional nature of the market. Okay, so we take a look on it this way, that we have this move down. The market did not break this low. It went up. It gave us this tree move up. And from there, it gave us this move down. Okay, so this is a complete structure on its own, and the market now came up here breaking this high. So we have equated this to be a more of B structure. So this is an A structure here, this is a B structure here. So what would the C structure look like? Okay, so that would be the question for the week. What would the C structure look like? So the C structure actually has started by giving us this sharp move down. All right, so everything that's going to happen here will be a correction for this move down, and after which the market will still drop one more, at least to break this low. But I believe it will go lower than this, before it starts going up. All right, so if you go to the 1 hour chart, so in this 1 hour, what do you see? Now from the 1 hour chart, we can see clearly that the market actually has given us a sharp move down, an impulse up, a sluggish move, a sharp down. All right, so guys, pay attention to this thing I'm about to say now. You see, this is very, very, very important. Anytime you are trading any market and you see a sharp move up, a sluggish move, what comes to your mind is this might be an expansion for the market to continue moving up. Okay, so this is a pattern that we have seen over and over again in every market. All right, so and you must pay attention to this if you want to be profitable in your trading career. Now, this calls for an expansion pattern, and this is one of the patterns we trade every time we see it happen. So, and that is what actually the market is playing out. So, where would this C wave end? I don't know, but looking at what the market has played out before, we're expecting the market at least to touch this point, before if it give us a confirmation that's going to reverse at this point, then we're going to take the trend downwards from here. Okay, so but at this moment, the market is trending. Okay, and one thing that you should have in the back of your mind, if this particular candles here closes above this strong confirmation that this market is going to move to this 2507 region. Okay, so this is something we've seen, and this is something we've traded in the past, and it keeps happening over and over again. Okay, so take a look on something that happens here. As I said, the power of the structure. Now, if you take a look at what I just said, now look at the market makes an high, it sluggishly move up, it drop. Now, what does this tell you? It's also the same thing that's happening here. This is an expansion. All right, I'm not supposed to show this pattern to you guys here, because this is what we do in our mentorship class. And if you're interested to learn how to trade for a living like we do using a clear structure, then kindly do yourself a favor by contacting us using the details below this video. All right, so let's go on. So as I said, what we'll be expecting on the if we go down to smaller time frame, guys, let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, so the 15 minutes actually has closed bullish, and this is a strong confirmation that this market is trending, and it's going to trend to this point, and that is our trade so far. Now we are already on trade here, and this is our stop loss. The stop loss is here, the trade is here, and we're expecting this to play out. So that is for the gold for the meantime. Now remember, the bigger picture is on the downside, but for the meantime, we're expecting the market to give us this complete structure. Okay, so if you come to the BTC, now on the BTC pair, guys, what do you see? Okay, so taking a look on what the market has done, let's go to the 4 hours. Now the 4 hours, guys, we are seeing a corrective structure in a bearish move. Okay, so and nothing but that corrective structure. So if we should be taking any trade, we're going to take a trade here based on this structure we are seeing. All right, and because the market has been what, giving us a downtrend, so we're going to take a trade based on this structure. Now, should we jump into the trade now? Say you are selling? No, we're going to wait for a confirmation that this trade is set to move, and that confirmation might be a break in the structure. So the 100% confirmation will be whenever the market breaks this, counter trend, and once the market, this candle closes below this counter trend, that would be a very strong confirmation that the market is going to drop one more. But you can go to a smaller time frame and see what actually the market will do. Okay, so if you go to a 1 hour time frame, what can you see, guys? All right, so we've seen that the market actually is giving us this sharp move down, 3-wave move up. So let's wait and see what the market, but if eventually, if it breaks this downtrend kind of trend line and sluggishly retrace to this point, that means this move, this corrective structure might be invalidated, because from there it will be pushing high. Okay, but that is not what we're expecting. We're in the bias that, okay, the market to break this, give us a confirmation for it to drop one more. But anything can happen, guys, and that is why we are trading based on pure wave patterns, because these are the mass psychology of market participants, and based on the market participants determines the next move where the market will be going. All right, so we don't want to keep it to these two. Now, if you want us to cover more pairs in the next video, kindly contact us using the detail below, and we'll be glad to help you and analyze your pairs too. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to follow us for more content like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.